Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO Reno 5, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings as an example for this. And once you have it open and visible, simply press power key and volume down. Just a simple press, and you will have this little thing up here, so you can either swipe up to share or swipe down to create a scrollable screenshot, or disregard it and this will disappear. Now once it disappears and you have done this for the first time, it will give you this little guide right here that you can capture your screenshots in 3 different ways as well. So you can use 3 fingers to swipe down to basically capture a screenshot as we did by pressing these 2 keys. Personally, I do like this. It is a way quicker option and more convenient one. Then all of the other options are just iterations of the 3 fingers, so we can capture a specific portion of the screen by just holding the 3 fingers and then swiping down. It will select an area on the screen, which you can edit. And then lastly, we have the 3 finger swipe down. So you just swipe 3 fingers all the way down, and this will start a scrollable screenshot. Now, personally, this is a little bit wonky, and I will show you what I mean in a second. It doesn't always work, so you'll probably have to try it a couple times. So I would advise you, if you're trying to create a scrollable screenshot, just to capture it normally and then swipe down the icon to start the scrollable one. So let me just get rid of this and show you what I mean. So we have the 3 finger swipe down. There we go. There's the screenshot. Then we have 3 finger hold. So there we go, disappeared. As you can see, it changes it, and we can now scroll a little bit down, let it go, and we can also from here resize it to our liking and tap on the check mark to save it. And lastly, it was the 3 finger swipe down for a scrollable one. And like I said, this one doesn't always work. You have to be fairly precise with it. Once it starts scrolling, as you can see right now, you can grab the screen and stop it from scrolling all the way down. You can basically move it up if you want to, move it down however far down you want, and once you're satisfied, you can just tap on the check mark and this will show you what it captured. Let's confirm that. And lastly, what I was saying before, because the 3 finger swipe down for a scrollable screenshot is a little bit wonky, what you could do is just do a quick swipe and then do this, and this will have the same effect, although we're at the bottom of the page so it can't scroll anymore. But it's going to be a little bit easier because, as an example, if you just quickly, let me quickly show you what I mean with the 3 finger swipe down for a scrollable one, that it's wonky. So you do this, as you can see, even though I was swiped all the way down, it decided to capture a portion instead of a scrollable one. And that is what will happen most of the time if you're trying to do it quickly. So I do advise you just to do quick swipe and then pull down to create a scrollable one. Now anyway, once we have captured our screenshots, you can find them all in our photo gallery. So once you find the gallery, there we go, photos. So you can see, if I go back, there we go. Right now there is no additional folders because I haven't captured anything else. So this is just in the main directory, but usually you will also have the categories like just photos, albums and stuff like that. And in an album it will create a screenshot album, and you should be able to find all your screenshots in there. And as you can see, those are the several different screenshots that I have captured just to showcase this function. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.